Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on zipping and unzipping files on iPhone and iPad. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To zip a file, locate the file that you would like to zip in the Files app. Then hold down on the file until this drop-down menu appears. Tap Compress to zip the file. Your zipped file will have the same name as the original file, but will have .zip at the end. To unzip a zipped file, simply tap on the file and it will unzip automatically. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.